Hey Bert. Here's our male duck. Come here. It's very friendly. Aren't you? The girl's over here, she's just hiding. Honey. Hello. So now you've met the ducks, we'll go and see, have a look at their pen. So this is where we keep them when we're not keeping an eye on them in the garden. It's quite a large pen. It was a dog cage we bought it for. So it'll be fox proof. Recently put a roof on it, on the part of it at least. I've included a rain gathering system. I don't know if you can see where the guttering's going there. So that just empties into the pond inside. Just going to try not to step on you guys. Oh. What are you saying? You gonna come inside? So we've got a little bucket of water here which we clean daily. Plant pot, lots of grit in so they can just help themselves to that. The food's sheltered under this table which has a pond liner on it to make it waterproof. And just had a few plants but they've eaten most of them. Bit of grass again, trampled that down and eaten it. As I climb up from this corner. So where they enter here, this is the sleeping box that we put them in at night. It's quite large, you could probably fit 2 people in there crouched down. Plenty of room for 2 ducks. But that just stops them waking up too early and shouting until we get up and feed them. So they've got the ramp up to the bath. Filter systems at the back here. Bath water's lovely and clear. So the filter's working perfectly. Got some more grit in the bottom of there for them. Gives them something to do, something to dive down for. And this is where the pump returns in. And that drain pipe is the guttering. So it tops up and they can climb up the top, which they do tend to like to sit up here quite often. That used to be grass, but yeah, just trampling it down, it's just turned it into mud. I am actually trying to grow a little bit of thyme. I think that's what I've planted here, seeds. It seems to be growing. So let's see if that survives long enough for the ducks to not kill. So I am trying to climb a lot of plants up this. We've got some jasmine and clambering roses over the back, and then a few other things here. I'm not sure exactly what all of them are, but I think that's a honeysuckle. That plant next to it's not really a climber, but has a yellow pom-pom flowers on, quite pretty. Later in the summer, that one. And then we have a white jasmine growing up this side. Some other flower, another honeysuckle. I've tried to get some ivy as well. So hopefully this will all be completely covered in green stuff, so we won't really see it so much. Give them plenty of shade. And we've got bamboo at the back, which is more of a screen for all the barrel, triple barrel recirculating filter system. It's all natural. Flowers are out on the irises now. So the pump's in this one, which is the return. Last one in the system, which goes back to the bath, which means the water the pump is pumping is as clean as possible so it doesn't break the pump. And then go right down into the jungle here. Hello Bert. And you can just about see the other 2 barrels. So it gravity feeds from the bath into this first barrel, flows up, it feeds in from the bottom, the other side, flows up, comes out a pipe down to the bottom of the second barrel, up through all the roots again, down to the third barrel and up and pumped back. And this first barrel also has this pipe at the side, which is just push fit, which I can swivel, and it connects to another pipe inside the barrel that goes right to the base inside, so it picks up all the sludge that deposits in the first barrel, all the heavy sediment, and I just tip it over and pours it into a bucket, run it for a bit till it starts looking a bit clear, and then tip it back up and it stops the flow. So there's no taps needed or anything, it's just gravity fed. Yeah, and that's about it. So I've been running it for about 2 years now, and it's established, all the plants have established, and it's still clear, nice clear water, working well. See it from the back here. What are the ducks shouting at? There you go then, ducks, your little home. Run, 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 run. You're so slow, Ernie. Ain't she, Bert? More water. Water everywhere. That's all, folks.